Hey guys, I'm back with another tutorial video. In this tutorial, I'm about to show you how to turn off Discover on Snapchat. Before getting started, make sure to update your Snapchat application to the latest version. In case you haven't updated your Snapchat application, then make sure to head towards your device's Play Store and on the search box type in Snapchat, and after that tap on the update button if it is available. So after updating your Snapchat application, also make sure to check your internet connection. Unfortunately, there's no such way as turning off Discover on Snapchat. But instead of that, what you can do is you can simply report or hide the content that you actually don't want to see on Snapchat Discover. So in order to do that, all you have to do is watch the video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So first of all, open up your Snapchat application. So after you open up your Snapchat application, right at the bottom there are multiple tools. So on the fourth option, you can see there are two people icon or the contact icon. Simply tap on it. So you can see there are a list of videos. So let's say that I don't want to actually see this particular video. So over here it's a dog video. So all you have to do is long press on it or hold on the video or the image. And after that there is a drop down menu. So you can see there are two different options, that is report style and hide dogs. Now in case if you tap on hide dogs, then you'll not be able to see any other content that is related with the dogs. So all you have to do is tap on hide dogs. So you can see that the content has been removed. So now you'll no longer be able to see the content that is related with the dogs. So after that, if you tap on report style, just tap on it and then you'll have to give a reason for reporting this particular video or the content. Now you can see there are a list of options, so you'll have to select the valid ones, and on the other page you'll have to submit a report. And in case if you want to type in the report, then you can do that as well, or else you can simply leave it blank and then tap on submit button right at the bottom. You can see that the report has been submitted and tap on done. If the majority of the user on Snapchat reports this content, then the content will be deleted from the Snapchat. So that is the only alternative method on how you can turn off Discover on Snapchat. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.